Here's my question. Did you know that you can get the hang of something? Recently, did you need to cough up anything? Can you easily stick to something? Have you tagged along with anyone recently? These are 4 casual phrasal verbs that are good to know and use in your everyday English conversation. Let's study together. Welcome to this phrasal verb English lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to learn English here with me. I love helping you learn phrasal verbs because they're used in everyday conversational English. Using them yourself will help make your English sound more natural. Let's start off with a little story. A coworker invited me to go skiing with some of her friends. I haven't yet gotten the hang of skiing, but I thought it would be kind of fun to tag along with them. The thing is, I didn't realize when I said yes that it was going to be so expensive. Even though I really can't afford to cough up that kind of money, I figured, if you want to get better at something, you're going to have to stick with it. Did you get that? Okay, let's check out these phrasal verbs. The first one is get the hang of something. When you get the hang of something, it means that you get used to doing that thing or you get comfortable with it. Here are some examples. The teacher said it's easy to get the hang of using phrasal verbs. Oh, he did he? I did. I tried playing golf a couple of times, but I just couldn't get the hang of it. Baking is easy for my mom, but it was hard for me to get the hang of it. Next, we have tag along. Tag along means to go together with someone or with a group of people. We use tag along with when we mention the person or the group of people that we're going with. We often use tag along when we invite someone to come with us or when we ask if we can go with them. Here are some examples. We're going to the bar after work. Do you want to tag along? I'm going to tag along with Jack at the business conference because, he's been to those places a lot before. You're going to the coffee shop? Hey, do you mind if I tag along? Cough up means to pay money unwillingly or reluctantly. When you are in a situation that you have to pay money, but you don't want to do it, you can use cough up. Here are some examples. The office manager made everyone cough up $5 for a cake for Jack's birthday. When I bought that car, I had to cough up a pretty big down payment. I can't believe that Tommy coughs up $2,000 a month to rent that tiny apartment downtown. The last one is stick with or stick to. We use both. When you stick with something or stick to something, you continue doing that regularly. If you want to improve your English, you need to stick with it. Ted has trouble sticking to his diet. That's why he hasn't lost any weight. According to my mom, when you bake, it's important to stick with the recipe. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this or any vocabulary is to take the word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. You can even write your sentences in the comments below. I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English.